اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Mufti Noman Naeem sahab and members of faculty of Jamia Binoria, distinguished ulamas, students and my fellow businessmen, I'm indeed honored and privileged to speak to you from this podium, and I definitely feel that today is a red letter day for the students sitting on my right and my left, because they are going to get those degrees, those diplomas which they intended for, which they worked hard for. So gentlemen, a very good evening and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm sure that just you saw a film, a documentary which showed Qari Abdul Halim Saab's how he grew up and where he was and when this all started and how much efforts he applied to that you have been knowing to this and you've been known. But what I want to say today is that Binoria has done wonders, I tell you. It is no joke to have students from more than 50 countries. It is no joke to keep them here. And consecutively, they keep on coming to Pakistan to get the Islamic knowledge, Islamic education. It is rather a very tedious task, a task which is very uphill task which they have taken upon themselves. And I congratulate the current President Mufti Noman Naeem Saab, Maulvi Ismail Saab, his brother, and there are 5,000 students here. Can you imagine? 5,000 students are getting education here. 73 students are from 23 different countries which are right now here and getting education. And they've got school, they're training and development, and they've got more than 73 courses, 63 total departments are working here, 63 total departments. I mean, this is what they've done. It is a blessing for a country, Pakistan, and particularly for Karachi, where they're here and they're studying. So I think my compliments and my gratitude to the organizers and all the faculty members, and especially Mufti Noman, his entire team, his brother, and Maulvi Ismail Saab, whom we respect as our elder, and all the students who are getting education here. My advice to you who are sitting on my right and left is that maybe today is your last day from this school and you are passing out today. But remember, tomorrow which is going to come, you are actually starting a new phase in your life. Now I know that you have been educated, you have that your matriculation or A level, O levels, or that kind of a knowledge also. And now you are a fiqh qualified. You have qualified in Islamic studies. You have qualified in Islam, and you've got a lot of knowledge of Islamic studies. What I want to today say is that, see, this education which your elders have sent you to get, the Islamic education which you are here to get, it is they wanted to create a blend of Western education and Islamic education. That's what they intended to do. That's why you people are here and getting the education at Jamia Binoria. You have completed your education or you have taken that education here. That means you know what mathematics is, you know what physics is, you know what English is, you know what grammar is, you know everything. But you are not aware of the Islamic teachings. So you have come from all the way, you have taken a long journey to Karachi and to Jamia Binoria to get this Islamic education. So it is a responsibility on your shoulders. Maybe they're fragile, but you have to change your society. The change in the society, civil society, can only come. We always talk about terrorism, extremism, dishonesties, and so much and so forth, frauds and everything. How we can control them? We have to address the grassroots cause of all those things. And the grassroots cause is what? the education which we are getting, education which is being offered to our people does not serve that purpose. Our religion, Islam, has answer to everything. See, Islam has answer to terrorism. Islam has answer to extremism. And we have heard, and everybody knows that the Prophet ﷺ said that a drop of a blood of an innocent person is to kill the humanity. That's what he has said. So that education needs to be there. We need to educate them. We need to tell them, our students, our people, our children who are here, you have to tell them that what is truth and what is wrong. That's why they are here. And I definitely congratulate you, but at the same time, I tell you that whatever you have studied, whatever Islamic knowledge you have gained, you have to utilize this to change this society. And this civil society can only change if you utilize those teachings which you have got in Binoria, Jami'a Binoria. And those teachings are to spread the honesty, to do justice to the civil society, and to teach them how to live here. What is the way of living in a civil society, and how we always talk about moderate and tolerant society. That is a different fact. But when we talk about Islam, there are fixed systems and we can't deviate from them. And we can't deviate from them, that means you have to follow them. And when you are following, one thing I would really want to tell you, that you don't have to fight for that. You have to make them understand. You have to go with arguments, that these are the arguments. Why this is good and why this is bad, you have to prove this through arguments. And those arguments should be based on fiqh, whatever education, of Islamic education, with Islamic knowledge, with the teachings of Prophet ﷺ and Allah's directives. All this is necessary, that you should spread this. This is your responsibility, that when you're going out after taking this diploma, a sanad, whatever you call it, I think that is the whole idea about it. And to Mufti Sahib, I would like to say that, Mufti Sahib, you have done wonders, mashallah. And I believe that you are following the footsteps, your forefathers, I mean your dada or your father, whom we knew very well, Mufti Naim Sahib, and of course the great Qari. You know, the Qari Halim, they did not tell you, but Qari Halim Sahib was invited every Ramadan to United States for Taraweeh prayers. He was such a great Qari, and very good. Allah has gifted him a voice which was liked by everybody. So I think you belong to that family, and Qari Sahib was very famous. Mufti Naim has actually, has created this whole system, and I'm glad. And people were worried that what will happen after Mufti Muhammad Naim Sahib. And these children have really taken upon themselves, and they are progressing. They're introducing new faculties, new programs, new syllabus sort of a thing, trying to modernize things. And see, today's gathering, if you see, I can see so many diplomats here, so many dignitaries, so many high-ranking officials. This is what it tells, that the context and the acceptance of society for a Binoria, Jami'a Binoria. And that acceptance is because of the fact that those who are graduating out of this Binoria are playing their role which they are educated for. That's what it is. And this is what we are here for. So I believe that I've taken much of the time, but I think that it is necessary that once in a year, when these students are getting sanads and degrees and diplomas, they must be told how to go about this and how to do. Once again, Mufti Sahib and all the organizers of today's event and otherwise also, all the faculty members who are the teachers here, I congratulate all of them. And especially on left and my right side, I congratulate all the students who are getting passed. I think this is a great day for them, and it's a great day for me too, and for everybody sitting here. We are witness to these people, that they are passing out and coming in and to serve the civil society and world at large, and Pakistan and Karachi in particular. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much.